Hey everyone, if you're looking for an incredible SUV that is a manual, has heated seats, an incredible media center, and more, then check out this 2018 Jeep Compass. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this green exterior color. You have your Jeep badging and some outlining on your grille in chrome, projector beam headlamps with accent lamps and fog lamps below that. This has a 2.4 liter engine, and looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch wheels. You have your side mirrors. They are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so it will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these white and black leather and cloth seats. Super cool looking, also really comfortable. You have that pattern, kind of a honeycomb pattern there, and they are heated, so super comfortable. Your driver's side is power adjustable. Then looking at your leather wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with media controls on the back. Then looking at your media center, you have your radio options here, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You also have your media options, so if you want to hook up a media device, you can. Your controls for your heated seats and steering wheel. You also have your apps with Uconnect. So everything just is on these 2 pages. And then you have your climate controls right there, and they are dual, so you have different settings on each side. Phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, and then your other settings are on these pages. So down below that, you have your lane departure warning button and your sensing system right there, and then all of your climate controls are in button form. You also have a select terrain system, USB port, aux port, and a 12 volt. This is a manual, like I said earlier, so you can have really full control over your vehicle. And then you have your 2 cup holders here with your center console. Then looking up, you have buttons for your panoramic sunroof, which really stretches over the entire roof of this vehicle. Love that. And then making our way out, this has a Beats sound system. Okay, so looking in the back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders, and a 115 volt and a USB port. These seats can also fold forward to give you some extra space in the trunk. Looking up, you have your roof rack, lip spoiler, and then your LED tail lamps with your Latitude and 4x4 badging. You also have a rear sensing system and a tow package. So looking into this back here, lots of space in your trunk. You also have your Beats subwoofer on the side right there, and then again you can fold those seats down to give you some extra space. So overall, incredible vehicle. Just love the design of the interior. I love the green color. I love all the features that are inside of it. Your tow package, your heated seats, and if you want to see this Jeep Compass or any of our other Jeeps, visit our website WowWoodys.com or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.